Welcome class 10 in online classes of biology. Class, as I told you in my earlier warm-up video, that at present we are studying transportation in organism. About transportation, which type of transportation, what is double circulation, why human circulatory system is known as double circulation, what are vessels, blood vessels, what are arteries, what are veins, and all that we have studied. Now come to transportation in plants. Students, like animals, various materials are transported in plants also. I think all of you well known about this thing that plant used to take mineral and water from the soil for the purpose of photosynthesis. Where this mineral and water from soil used to go through root, shoot, in leaves because mineral and water are needed inside the leaf for the purpose of photosynthesis. Okay, so students, conduction of mineral and water in plant is carried out by a special kind of tissue, a special kind of complex permanent tissue present in plants which is known as xylem. In previous class, we have studied about various types of tissues, about meristematic tissues, about permanent tissue, and types of permanent tissue also we have studied. I think all of you recap those kind of tissues. Complex permanent tissue is divided into two, xylem and phloem. Okay? Since xylem is tissue, so this xylem tissue is made up of four types of cells. What are those four types of cells? Four types of cells are xylem, tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. All these four types of cells combine together to make xylem tissue. One thing more I want to tell you students, that combination of xylem and phloem is known as vascular bundle. And vascular bundle is made up of conductive tissues. ठीक है? So students, xylem is made up of four kind of cells: tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Now, xylem in case of plant is responsible for carrying water and mineral from soil to the leaves for the purpose of photosynthesis. So, it is very essential to carry out water and mineral from soil because photosynthesis is very essential process for autotrophs. Clear? Now, come to phloem. Phloem is also made up of four types of cells because phloem itself is tissue and tissue is made up of cells. So, phloem is also made up of four kind of cells. What are those four kind of cells? You all have studied about kind of cells which unite together to form phloem in class 9. Pradyoti, name the constituent of phloem. Om Gupta, Shivansh Gupta, Rashmi Mishra. Tell me. Yes, phloem is made up of companion tube. Phloem is made up of companion cell, sieve tube, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Again I am repeating. Phloem is made up of, or you can say, constituent of phloem are companion cell, sieve tube, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Clear? what is the basic function of phloem? Phloem is responsible for transport of prepared food material from leaves to various storage organs. समझ में आ रहा है? Phloem is responsible for carrying, for transporting prepared food material from leaves to the storage organ of that plant. This is responsibility of phloem. And responsibility of xylem is to conduct water and mineral from soil to the leaves for the purpose of photosynthesis. Okay? Now, come to transport in xylem. This is very important. Come to transport in xylem. Although I told you and in the book also it is written that xylem used to conduct water and mineral from soil to the leaves. But how this water and mineral goes inside the vascular bundles of xylem? How? What is the mechanism of conducting water and mineral from soil? इसी को खाली हम लोग आज पढ़ेंगे, फ्लोएम वाला बाद में पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? क्या mechanism है? What is the mechanism behind that? Actually, there are two mechanisms through which we understood very easily how this transport takes place. First thing, diffusion. I think all of you will know about diffusion process. What is diffusion? Shivansh Gupta, what is diffusion? Sagun Singh. Yes, diffusion is the process of movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. It's very easy. Diffusion is the process of movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. ठीक है? अब देखते हैं, मान लेते हैं ये रूट है. These are roots of any plant. These are root hairs. Suppose these are root hairs. Here soil molecules are present and water and mineral are present in the intermolecular spaces of soil. Soil के molecules जहाँ पे भी हैं, इन soil के molecules के बीच में, in the intermolecular spaces of these soil molecules, the mineral and water is present. Then what happens? मिनरल और वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन सॉइल के इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस में अधिक है और इसी मिनरल और वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन रूट के वैस्कुलर बंडल में, रूट के कंडक्टिव टिश्यू में कम है. Therefore, water and mineral moves from outer environment into the vascular tissue of root. ये बात समझ में आए? So, movement of mineral and water into the vascular tissue of root takes place due to diffusion. अब diffusion के बाद क्या होगा? Diffusion हो गया, मान लीजिए सॉइल के मॉलिक्यूल से वो चला गया रूट के भीतर. अब क्या होगा? अभी ऊपर कैसे जाएगा? क्या आप वहाँ पर मोटर लगाएंगे? क्या पंप यूज करेंगे? No. Then how it goes upwards? In case of eucalyptus, it is 120 meters upward from the soil, from the land. कैसे जाता है इतना ऊंचा 120 मीटर? Let us know. In plants, from leaves, transpiration takes place. Everybody knows this thing. Transpiration takes place in plants through their leaves. What is transpiration? Transpiration is loss of water in form of water vapor. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? When water loss in form of water vapor takes place through the leaves, then there is a kind of suction. There is a kind of suction pressure created in the vascular tissue. फिर से समझिए हिंदी में इसको. जब ट्रांसपिरेशन होता है किसी ट्री में, किसी प्लांट में ऊपर लीव्स से जब ट्रांसपिरेशन होता है तो जो वैस्कुलर टिश्यूज हैं, जो लीव से सीधा रूट तक एक कैनाल बनाया हुआ है, ठीक है, उस कैनाल के भीतर, उस ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर के भीतर एक तरह का सक्शन क्रिएट होता है. ड्यू टू दैट सक्शन Due to that transpiration pull, this water and mineral move upward. ठीक है, उसी ट्रांसपिरेशन पुल की वजह से अब ये वाटर और मिनरल अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में आगे बढ़ता है। ये बात अच्छी तरह समझ में आई। टू explanations of this two explanations of this mechanism. Number one, diffusion से होता है वाटर और मिनरल का एब्जॉर्प्शन, और सेकेंड थिंग ट्रांसपिरेशन पुल। So students, revise whatever we are studying today about transportation plant from your book. Open your book and revise whatever we are studying today in class, that is transportation in plants. First of all, transportation in plants. First of all, about complex permanent tissue. I told you that these complex permanent tissues are of two types, xylem and phloem. Xylem is made up of four kinds of cells: trachea, vessel, xylem, parenchyma and xylem fiber. And phloem is also made up of four kinds of cells, that is companion cells, seed tube, phloem, parenchyma and phloem fiber. Now how translocation takes place? Translocation पर phloem के लिए लगता है। How water and mineral conduct through the soil to the leaves? By two mechanisms we have studied. First mechanism is diffusion and second mechanism is through transpiration pull. Students, revise all those things. We will study next part of this, that is function of phloem in plants, in later online classes. This is all for today, students. Thank you. Class 10. Thank you.